Okay, so in the earlier videos I said I was going to do 1,000 and then 1,500, then 2,000 or whatever. And I only did that because that's what you all said that you were doing. Well, I wanted to see if I could do 1,000 and then buff it. And that's what we're attempting to do here. So I'm using 3M 06085 buffing compound, and this will be my buffing compound, and I'll go over it with polishing compound here in a little while. But as you can see, I'm about 3/4 of the way done with this table. You can see where I haven't done, I've got a little bit of splatter from the buffing compound, but then you can see where I've buffed, and you can see a notable difference. Now, if you want to spend a whole lot of time sanding, the more you sand, the better it's going to look, but this works good for me. This is all I need to do. So I'm going to buff this little area right here, and we're going to show you what I do. And this is how I do it with cars, so that's where I've come up with it. I use a variable speed buffer. I run it on the slowest speed I can when I'm buffing. When I'm polishing, I run it up about halfway. So right now I'm at about 800 to 1,000 RPM, and then I'll run it up to about 15. And I'll do 2 applications of the buffing compound. And that's mainly because I have bigger scratches than if I would have used 2,000. Once I get to this stage, I'm going to clean my wheel. This takes all the excess polish out. They make a tool for it, but still a screwdriver works fine. Now I'm going to kind of lay this thing fairly flat. Okay, as you can see there, it's starting to look pretty darn good. I'll go over it one more time with this, just to continue to buff all this residue. I still see a little bit of residue there, but I'll let it dry a little bit, and then I'll take it again and I'll get that nice glass finish. So there you go. Hope everything turns out well for you guys.